Then we're gonna go get some tape for the E92 for the spoiler. We're gonna show you guys how to properly tape the spoiler. Tape the spoiler, properly prep the car, because you got to clean it, alcohol and all that stuff, and then put it on, obviously, in installation. And then today actually we're gonna try to go and get like a nice little cinematic thing looking for you guys, so you can see like the different angles and like how it looks and stuff, in case any of you were thinking about buying one, couldn't decide between this one or the what is it, the M4 style one. So
alright guys, so we're here at Target already. We came to pick up the double-sided tape for the spoiler. We're just walking around right now looking for it. So yeah, alright guys, we found the tape. What kind of tape do you guys think is like the best for a spoiler, so you know, you don't want it to be falling off or be loose, you know?
I have to use this one. I think this is the best one.
So we got the Scotch. Super 32 plus. Alright, this is the one. Happy kid.
Adhesive remover. Remove adhesive, residue, tar, salt, crayon, and more. What?
Alright, so we got the tape. As you can see,
do we get Uganda now?
We went with the Scotch Extremely Strong.
Do we get like something like this?
I say we should get some Uganda.
Use cap or scraper fresh. One step, no mess, computer, gym camera. Try it.
Alright guys, we're buying it right now.
You should get a Target card.
You should. Alright guys, so we picked up the double-sided tape and some glue remover stuff. And we actually got some Starbucks too. We got 3 of the strawberry acai refreshers. So yeah, we're gonna head home right now, and then we'll show you guys the whole process of how to prep the surface and install the spoiler. As far as the spoiler, I've had it for a while already.
I never really got to install it. I didn't really know if I wanted it or wanted to do the M4 style or the whole carbon fiber spoiler, but yeah, that's where that came from. So I never really explained why or how we got it or anything.
Hey, what's up guys? So I don't know if you guys remember, but in the last video we had mentioned that we were selling a car. It's an E92 335i. So today we finally got a buyer for it. They actually came to check it out and test drive it yesterday, but they didn't have the money because it was late already and the bank was closed. But they got the money today, and we're gonna head over there, meet up, and hopefully sell this car today. Alright guys, so we're about to meet up right now. We're around the corner from Vaughn's, and then we'll be there, we'll see what happens, and then we'll keep you guys updated. So change of plans, we're actually gonna meet at Wendy's. It's right here across the street. So we'll head over there, and then we'll let you guys know what happens, see if we actually sell this car or not.
Alright, what's up guys? Don't mind the music, and my son's in the back, and he's not coming down without anything, but it's gone now. We got someone who bought it. They're really happy with the price and everything, and it's gone. So stay tuned, because we plan on getting another one, new build, same thing, fix it up, sell it and everything. So yeah, I think it's just overdriving us. So on that car, what we did, we had to change the strut mounts, O2 sensor, low pressure fuel pump, no, low pressure fuel sensor. What else did we change on it? I don't know, but I think that was it. So it wasn't too bad, but more than anything, it was the strut mounts that made the car seem really bad. But I mean, so we got that fixed and everything. There was no check engine, there was no engine malfunction, nothing. So yeah. And you want to say it?
Stay tuned for new builds, new things coming, hopefully better content, and today.
Alright guys, later. Alright guys, we just got home. This is the spoiler that we're gonna be installing. We got it pretty cheap, so it's not new, but let's see. So you guys can see it. It's carbon fiber, CSL style. So comes with the badge already, and I mean the emblem. So yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is it already has some tape in there, so we're gonna have to clean that up. Make sure everything's gonna be nice and sticky, and put the new tape on there. And then after this, we're gonna clean the trunk, soap and water, alcohol, and then we'll put it on there. So, ready yet? I think so. All right, let's do this.
So we peeled off all the glue that was on there, and right now we used some like glue gun type stuff to put it on there, and I guess it says to leave it on for like 20 to 30 seconds and then use that tip to scrape it all off. So that's what we're doing right now. It's getting most of it off. I think as long as like a clean surface, or as clean as possible, it should stick better, because last time we put it on, it fell off pretty quick. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I'll keep you guys updated. So this is what I was talking about. It says to put it on there, leave it for like 20 to 30 seconds, and then use this tip right here to like scrape it all off. Right now we use some of this wash and wax to clean the surface. So this is how the car looks right now. Unbadged, no emblem or anything. No side view. It's just the trunk by itself. It's just a regular trunk. So this is how it looks right now. I'll show you guys how it looks also after.
So I'm just gonna wet the surface for now. Try to get as much dust off as I can after the water comes out. And same thing with the spoiler. I'm gonna throw some soap on there. The trunk also has a little bit of glue from the last time on there, so we're gonna throw some on there, loosen up the glue, get that off. Let it sit there for a little bit, and then we're gonna scrape it off and then give it another wash. Alright, so we're just using some regular alcohol to clean out the surface. Just put some on your towel.
Pretty much just cleaning everywhere where the glue is going to be on. You don't really have to clean the whole trunk. Alright guys, so our camera just died, so we're currently using our phone. So sorry for the quality and stuff, but right now we're just gonna put on the tape onto the spoiler, the double-sided tape, while we're waiting for the trunk to dry up real good.
Alright guys, the main key on anything is prepping. If you don't prep, it's never gonna come out good. So, wanna make sure that it's clean. You have a clean surface to work on, whether it's painting, whether it's gluing something like this, anything. Make sure your surface is clean, or else it won't stick, paint won't stick, all that good stuff. So, surface is as good as it's gonna get. Now we're gonna mount this baby over there.
Alright guys, so spoiler's on. This is how it's looking right now. Just cleaning it down a little bit. Once the camera is charged, we'll show you guys some better shots and stuff, like the side angle and stuff, but this is how it's looking right now. Looks a lot better, to be honest. Looks real good.
So the reason we decided to put on the spoiler was because a couple months ago I got the carbon fiber hood. So I think it would be a good match between the carbon fiber hood and then the carbon fiber spoiler.
What are you guys' thoughts of this? Would you guys go with the CSL style spoiler like this, or just the whole CSL trunk in general? Or do you guys like that M4 style spoiler? Alright guys, so we came to the spot right here, kind of close by to the house. We got the freeway over here. But yeah, we're gonna try to get some nice little shots. We mainly just wanted to go somewhere where there's not too many cars, so it won't look so crowded and stuff. But yeah, we're gonna try to get a little cinematic or little shots right now.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.